Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the Move tool, how to use it. First, let's find the Use tool. We can find it in the Home tab and Modify panel here. We see the Move tool is here. You can simply left click your mouse and select it. We can also use the command window at the bottom of the screen. Simply type in M or move if you want, and then hit enter to activate it. Let's try it. Hit enter. Okay, look at the cursor, right? It changed. Right now we see a tiny square. Also, notice that in the command window, it said select object. It means we have to select some specific object. You can select one, or you can select multiple objects. Say I want to move this part, this small square, to this side. So let's try to select it. Look at if we move this small square right on the object, so the color change. It means that we can select it. So put on the object that you want to select. Left click your mouse. Okay. Notice that on the command window, it says select objects one found. And it also mentions that select object. It means that if you want to keep selecting, right, you can keep doing that. But I just want to select this one. Right now, let's right click your mouse button so that you can stop selecting, because you just want to select this one. Right click your mouse. Okay, notice that in the command window, it said specify base point or displacement. Here, I want to use the base point. Simply, I want to move this point to select or hold this point and move the entire part, right? And to here, let's try to it. Put on the corner, right? Make sure that you already activate the object snap tool here. Also select end point to activate end point. Okay, put on here. This right corner, left click your mouse. We are going to select this base point. Left click. Now, look at the command window. It said specify second point. Okay, so because I want to move it here, right? So this is the second point that I want specify. Move it here and left click your mouse. Okay, it's done. We already move this object to this place. So let's try to play it again. This time I want to go to the modify panel and to activate the move tool. Left click your mouse, select move tool, and then look at the command window, select objects. Say this time I want to move the top square on the left side of this square. So let's select it, move on the cursor, move on this small tiny square. On the object that you want to select, left click your mouse, select it, and then right click your mouse to stop selecting. Because I want to move this square, I first need to decide the base point. Say I want to decide the base point here. You can also decide the base point here if you want. This is the base point, left click it, and then we can move your mouse, move the cursor. So the object is moving, let's put here. Right click your mouse. Okay, we moved this part. Let's try to play it again. This time, I want to hit space key to activate the move tool because I want to keep using it. Hit space key. Okay, I activated the move tool. If you look at the command window, you will see that we need to select an object. Say I want to select this one. Left click your mouse and right click your mouse. And then you can move the object that you selected to the place that you want. Say I want to decide this is the base point. Left click your mouse and then move it to here. Okay, it's done. Okay, that's it. This is the move tool, and this is how we use it. Thank you very much for your watching. If you have any question, please feel free to let me know.